Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making garlic and chili prawns.
First thing we're going to use here is a chili. I didn't know whether to call this video chili and garlic prawns or garlic and chili prawns, but I just went with garlic and chili in the end. We're going to de-seed it, so you chop the chili in half and you take out all of the seeds. The seeds is where all the majority of the spice is. There's still plenty of heat in that, in the outside of the skillet, the chili in the skin. Don't worry at all about that. Chop that up. We are going to chop this really finely, but the best way to do it is to chop it into some kind of bigger pieces first, just so it all stays in one place when you do try and chop it. And just like we do in so many other videos, just go back and forth, left and right with the knife. Just takes time. Just takes time, and you just keep scraping it off the knife, bringing it back to the middle of the chopping board, and just going left, right, back over the chili until in the end you can have really beautifully minced chili like that. And now some garlic. So 2 large cloves. We're going to top and tail them, so that's taking off the top and the bottom. And then we're going to do just like we did with the chili. So the first thing we'll do is just chop it into a few kind of bigger chunks, just so it stays in one place on the chopping board. And then, just like we did with the chili, work back and forth, left and right, until you've got very finely diced minced garlic. Whilst you're watching me do that, I will ask you, if you're not subscribed to me, if you can click subscribe at the bottom, only if you want to of course, but it's totally free for you, and you'll see all the new videos that I put up each week, and it really helps me out if you choose to do that. Also, if you like it, hit like, and if you don't like it, that's no problem at all. Thanks anyway. So you can see the garlic here, we're just going left and right until that's really finely chopped. There's the garlic ready to go. Prawns. I always like to buy prawns with their, heads and shells on, but I had to get these ones from a supermarket. The raw prawns, you see that vein that's on the underside of it? That's part of the nervous system. That is not the poo sac that they say that you need to get rid of. So you often see that on the back of thicker prawns. On the underside of prawns that you'll get from a supermarket like that, don't worry at all about removing that. There's no grit or anything in there at all. A pan. Oh yeah, you saw me get a knob of butter before as well. A pan, red hot as you can get it. Put some olive oil in that pan, and then get the olive oil as hot as you can get it, so it's smoking, so it's dangerously hot, because these want to be cooked quick. In go the prawns. Space them out a little bit, just so each one's touching the outside, or just touching the pan. In total, from these going into the pan to being served on a plate, you want 2 minutes, no more than 2 minutes. Otherwise they're going to go over. So you can see we've just got those cooking now. Just give them a little shuffle round, let them have a little flip over. You can see how they're going to change into that classic prawn colour, that beautiful kind of reddy orange. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. You can see they're staying cooked. If you look at the shape of a prawn, see how they look like C's, little C's. Oh, we can go the garlic and chili here, by the way, and give that a good mix round. If a prawn looks like a little C, then take it, C means cooked. That prawn is cooked. If it's gone dead tight and it's like an O, that's over. So if you get a prawn and it's like all tightened up around itself and it's like an O or a 0, it's well over. But if it's curled round like a C, it's cooked. You'll think of me next time you see a prawn like that. In goes the butter into the pan. Don't forget this pan is red hot, and that butter is going to melt in there. Do not leave that on the heat until that butter is completely melted. Just get it in there and just get it mixed around slightly and get it straight off the heat. From there, into the bowl that you're going to serve it in. Again, you can serve this with nice haunch of bread. When you've got the head on the prawns and everything, it's a little bit more finger foody, but serving it like this with a beautiful bit of French baguette is perfect. The baguette's going to soak up all the sauce. I put this out to the table to 2 people, and I got this back about 3 minutes later. It's amazing, it's delicious, everyone loves it, even if you're not into seafood. I hope you like it, I hope you make it yourself. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.